Girls, I really want to thank you all for participating this year. We've had a great season. Great to win in your last game, and it was a good effort. Thank you, Nerida, for participating and getting along and hitting the ball around. The rest of the guys in the field, we had some great catches today.
Last week.
I wasn't there last week, that's what the problem was.
It didn't hail.
To all the parents that get here every week.
An excuse.
Hey, my back right. To all the parents that get there every week, kids don't get to play sport unless we chip in. Rob, got to thank you immensely for the time and effort that you put in for training and all that sort of gear, and coaching, and just trying to get the girls to play some cricket and enjoy cricket. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
It's all fun.
Larry, Helen, and there have been others. Thank you very much for scoring. You've done a great job. Really appreciate that, girls. Next season, those that play actually have to do the scoring. Parents only chip in sometimes. Who else? Yeah, we've got those that contribute from Brewer, and we've got a wealth of talent in the Brewer Shield. So all those girls that are in Brewers that play thirds, thanks very much. Nick and Erin was playing last week, I think, coming down from seconds. Thank you very much for helping out.
Red Kay, you played last week. Did you play Kay?
Were you there? I really didn't do much. With? How many?
Knife into the ribs.
Top score.
Double
Her
figures.
excuse was the manager wasn't there.
I think Thunder's before Kay.
But anyway. So yeah, we've had a great season. I think that we started the season well with the Super 8s. Got us off to a good start. From what I can see, everybody's enjoyed their cricket. There's a few of the girls that couldn't be here tonight, but that's the way it goes. Again, mums and dads, everybody that's participated, thanks very much for your support, and we'll see you at the when's the presentation on, Rob? Sometime in May.
22nd?
Second of May? 16.
All right.
Something like that, yeah. So, I'll send you a text message in advance, and I want you $20 at the door, no excuses. Right?
Maybe you forgot your daughter played well.
Yeah, well, she's not here. She's got the shits just quietly. Because we've got a team barbecue and she's not here.
Yeah.
She's trekking in the bush somewhere up
Send her a
north.
message.
Yeah.
I reckon you planned it well, Paul. Well
I
done.
didn't plan it. But yeah, everybody's chipped in, everybody's had a great time, and I've been proud of every one of you. So,
Yeah.
cheers.
Thank you, Paul, very much for your
My pleasure.
hospitality.